RHB Banking Group is a multinational regional financial service provider that is committed to delivering complete solutions to customers through differentiated segment offerings and an ecosystem that supports simple, fast, and seamless customer experiences, underpinned by a cohesive and inspired workforce and relationship built with stakeholders. However, in recent years, RHB Bank has publicly reprimanded and fined by the Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad for breaching in listing requirements in relation to a proposed initial public offering of an ACE market applicant. In a statement released, the regulator said that about 350,000 ringgit Malaysia in fines had been imposed on RHB as the sponsor and principal advisor for an unnamed applicant seeking admission to the ACE market. The exchange regulator said that the imposition of the public reprimand and fine on RHB were made upon completion of due process after taking into consideration all facts and circumstances of the matter. These include the materiality of the breaches, the roles and responsibilities of RHB as a sponsor and principal advisor, and the fact that, quote, RHB had previously committed breaches of the listing requirements. RHB Investment Bank was being reprimanded for two breaches involving ACE market listing requirements, or known as ACE-LR. So the first breach occurred when RHB failed to conduct proper due diligence and make all reasonable due diligence inquiries, as well as consider all relevant matter to ensure there was no misstatement or material omissions. It also failed to ensure all material information were properly and accurately disclosed in the submission and disclosure made in the initial listing applications and draft prospectus submitted to Bursa Securities in relation to the proposed listing. The second breach happened when RHB failed to immediately notify Bursa of the material developments concerning the applicant business, operations, future plans, and also prospect after the initial submissions. It was only upon receipt of the regulatory queries that RHB notified Bursa Securities of these materials, agreements, and developments. Bursa Securities view RHB breaches seriously in view of the primary and crucial role played by the sponsors and advisors in the assessment of the suitability of an applicant for admission to the ACE market, which is a sponsor-driven market. As a solution to the matter, RHB Investment Bank will enhance its due diligence process after being reprimanded and fined by Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. Its Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer said that the bank will exercise a high degree of due diligence and compliance with regulatory requirements in carrying out its responsibilities. It also said that the bank will take this matter very seriously and have reviewed and enhanced their due diligence process and procedures, including the review process of their clients both quantitatively and qualitatively. The director also mentions that RHB is working with an external advisor to ensure the bank continues to align with due diligence process and procedures to market best practices. The enhancements to the due diligence process and procedures, coupled with a strong commitment and cooperation from their clients and all other parties involved, will further raise the quality and standards of RHB due diligence.